So guys, and today I got a shop vac, wet dry vac. I'm vacuuming the inside of the car out. It's kind of at the end of the day, so it'll probably be tomorrow before I can hand wash it. So yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and do this today. And part of the reason I want to go ahead and get over with today is this back part back here's got sitting water where it rained, and that's from these drill holes right here where somebody removed the spoiler, not drill holes, but where they removed the spoiler. So I'm gonna tape these off afterwards so I don't have this problem again. So yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and do the best we can cleaning the inside. And yeah, so here it is. This is the before. Let's go ahead and get started. You see the dash, still clean. Sophie, I'm gonna hit them with that Rat Pack. Is that what he says, Rat Pack? Is that what he says, Rat Pack? I'm not sure either. Probably go on Spotify and look at the lyrics. Anyway, shout out to my neighbor. He has come through for me on letting me borrow tools and gadgets until I can get my money up and get these things for myself. So shout out to him. I'm sure it's about to get loud, so bear with me. Should I use this? Let's try it out. Alright, my dad used to have one of these, so I'm pretty familiar with it. Man, this thing's all kind of bent up. Okay, so I don't know where the video went off at, but so I'm done. This is the after. Tomorrow I'm gonna come in and I'm gonna hand wash it, and that will be part of this video as well. So this is the end of the first part, vacuuming. Look at that dash. And yeah, so I'll see you at the next chapter of this video. Alright guys, we are back, and it is time to clean the inside of this bad boy. Go ahead and finish the cleaning job. So this will all be sped up. I do have a mask on because I don't entirely feel safe in here yet as far as air quality goes. The doors are open. There's no windows in that door. I gotta get a window for it. But the doors are open, the windows are down. If I sound muffled, I'm sorry, I have a mask on. So anyways, let's get to cleaning. Yeah. Alright guys, she is spick and span. The inside has been cleaned to the best of my ability. I'm sure I could have did a little extra, like remove the wires or whatnot, but I just did just a good easy wipe down. You know, I used the coverall, sprayed it down, wiped it down. You know, get that white back. I'm gonna do it before and after, let everybody see how it turned out. But I appreciate y'all watching this video. Hopefully the next one, maybe we'll be doing some mechanic work to it in the next one. But until then, y'all, I appreciate y'all's support, and keep on watching. Love you guys.